Okay, this is working. Oh. Hey guys, make sure you like, subscribe, and watch this video. Stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So this is my rice water. I use this every Wednesday and Saturday night to pre-poo. I put a plastic cap over my head and I let it sit for overnight. This is a can opener that you're going to need. You're going to need a glass bowl, jar if you prefer, cutting board for your avocados maybe, maybe not, and scissors. Measuring spoons, shout out to Betty Crocker, and a blender. So this is a handheld blender I got from Target. It was about 30 bucks maybe, and my scissors to open it. Disclaimer guys, I have never ever used a handheld blender, so we're gonna see how this is gonna work out. If you have any filming ideas for me, don't forget to leave that below. Make sure you like and subscribe. Alrighty, so let's see. Not sure what that's called, but I know the other thing is kind of like a spatula, I guess, or whisk. If you guys know, y'all help me out in the comments below. All right, I'm going to pull that off. New appliances are always so fun, aren't they? All right, let's get that plugged in. And I think we may be good to go. All right, yep, I'm going to use that. I think that may work out the best. They give you two. Oh, it's really powerful. Oh, boy. Oh, well. And again, this is my first time. And here's my jar. I got this from Dollar Tree, my favorite place in the whole world. I think it's going to fit, so let's see. All right, and you want to make sure you have some non-fat, full Greek yogurt, plain avocado. Another disclaimer, I have never tried avocados before. I did not know that you have to let them sit for a couple of days. It was super hard. So, yeah, in the future, I'm going to let them sit for a couple of days until they kind of get brown and soften up. Oh, I spilled it. Oh, you don't want to spill all that goodness, guys. So plain Greek yogurt is great for the hair. It makes a great moisturizer for a deep conditioner. It is packed with nutrients. It gives you extra shine, helps fight frizz, which I definitely have. I'm 4C. And it repairs chemically processed hair. I'll be back, guys. I'm back again. All right, so you want to get all of that Greek yogurt in there. All right. I like to eat apples and bananas. That song stuck in my head. I love bananas. But this is great for the hair, not only to eat it, but it is rich in potassium. It has vitamins, natural oils, and prevents dandruff. It gives your hair elasticity and helps with split ends and sun-damaged hair. All right, I am now going to cut open one of my favorite things. This is the organic hibiscus powder. This helps prevent hair loss, balance your hair pH level, reduces grayness, reduces graying of hair, and prevents split ends. All right, I'm going to use my can opener. Get it. And this is why I need probably an electronic can opener. I'm so old school, guys. So this is my coconut milk. It is high in protein. It also has vitamins in there. It stops hair loss, restores dry scalp. If you are a 4C chick like me, you know all about dry scalp. It also gets rid of dandruff and gives your hair a boost. All right, let me refocus, y'all. All right, and this is what my mixture is looking like so far. All right, I'm going to give this a nice whisk. Oh, oh yeah, there's 2 settings, guys. Oh my gosh, it goes so fast, y'all. I'm so used to my KitchenAid. This is a bit of a challenge, but hey, ooh, it is getting all over the place. Oh boy. And the avocados, again, were super hard because I did not let them sit out. I have made DIY deep conditioners before, but I have never used avocados in them before. I do not eat avocados, so I didn't know much about them. But avocados are very good for the hair and the body and the skin. And I will be back. All right, so I'm going to pour that all in here and get all that goodness out, guys. You don't want to leave any of that goodness. Yes, sometimes the DIYs can be a little costly, but it is definitely worth it. Your hair will thank you in the end, and you will definitely see the results, guys. I must be obsessed with blending. I'm really trying to get those avocados blended, y'all. I've blended so many times here. Please forgive me. And I am 4C here. I have been natural since, I guess we could probably say 2016, more like it. 2015, I was using texturizers, but I was only using it around my edges. I didn't use it for my complete hair. So this is my organic hibiscus. I'm cutting it open. So excited. I've read so many things, good things about it. I also love the color, guys. It's like almost like the color of my shirt, kind of. But I love the color of it. It's so pretty. This is my tea tree. Love tea tree. Great essential oil. It improves blood flow, soothing an itchy scalp. It also stimulates hair growth and balances your pH. I'm going to put a few drops of my needle oil. It is a natural repairer, stops hair loss, and regrows. Okay, leaves your hair rich in silica and sulfur, which helps hair shinier and healthier. And back to that blending again. So I don't really have measurements, guys. I always kind of eyeball everything. I will get better, I promise. I will make an update version once I get my U-Haul box, which is still stuck in California, but it'll be here soon. But I'll have to do a video. Yeah, I got to catch y'all up. So I think I may have put too much coconut milk in there. But you know what? Hey, your hair is absolutely going to love this. This is an Ayurvedic approach deep conditioner because I've added that organic hibiscus powder in there. And I've got my nettle oil in there and my essential oils. I enjoy using herbs and things. Hey guys, so I'm going to take my deep conditioner and I've already applied it. I made a DIY Ayurvedic shampoo, and this is my conditioner by Design Essentials. All right. So, because I did not have my KitchenAid, you guys could see that my hair has little pieces in it. That is avocado. But you know what? I've worked so hard to make that deep conditioner, I'm not throwing it away. I am still going to put it on my hair because you know what? Your hair is a non-judgment zone. It loves everything that I'm putting in it. It may not be as smooth as it should be, but my hair is going to absolutely love all of this. And as you can see, I'm kind of using like a spoon because it was so watery. I didn't want to make a bigger mess that I had already made in my kitchen earlier. But I love the way it made my hair feel. I absolutely love it. I feel like it made my curls pop out even more. I've worked it all in my roots. I'm getting it real good in there throughout the back, making sure I got all the product in my hair. I have 4C hair. I have been natural for maybe since 2015, so I'm assuming maybe around 5 years. 4 to 5 years, I'll say that, because I really feel like 2016 is when I truly, really went natural. In 2020, I decided I really wanted to learn my hair, love it, and really dedicate time to it. I feel like I hadn't really got to know my hair, and so that's what my goal was for this year, is to really wear my hair and learn my 4C hair, because I used to scream about how much I hated my hair because it's like a sponge. Oh, guys, and here's the plastic cap on top. My 4C hair, if you have it, you already know it's a workout. It is a lot of work. So, got my cap on. And hey, guys, comment, like, subscribe, and holla at your girl.